Hey everyone! In this video I will gonna show you how to install Linux natively on your PC or laptop without using any virtual machine or VM application. It will be a native, updated and stable installation for the Linux distribution. So first you will have to go to this website linux.org. So in this webpage you will see every Linux distributions, or the most famous ones or the most used ones. So the Ubuntu, the CentOS, the Debian, the Fedora. Also there is a Kali Linux for some people, so Red Hat. And you will see also the desktop version, the server, the flavors, the cloud, the core versions. These are all different versions for the same distribution. So the same thing but different workspace, or so this server thing is only used by command prompt. For me, I will stick with the Ubuntu desktop version because it's the most famous one in the Linux history, and it's the easiest one as well and the most updated. Also, it can handle most of the tasks, like 99% of all the tasks that other distributions can do as well. So you will gonna need to press download, and then you will see it pops up here, but I just downloaded it previously, so I will skip this step to the next step. After downloading your copy of your Linux distribution ISO file to your desktop or wherever, you need to go to Rufus website to download this tool. And this tool will help us to make a bootable flash drive of the ISO image we downloaded to just make it ready to be connected to the laptop that we need to install the Ubuntu in it. So on this tab of the application, you will select the device here, and it's the SanDisk 16 gigs, the USB flash drive of mine. And the boot selection, the boot image will be disk or ISO image, and select. And here you go to the desktop and select the Ubuntu 24, and you will just start. Just say okay, recommended, and okay. That's it. At this moment, it will keep copying, installing, initializing, and finalizing, or whatever it takes. Like I think it will take maybe 10 or 15 minutes to finish this thing. And after this we will need to so after I'm done creating the bootable disk for the ISO image of Ubuntu, now I'm ready to plug the flash drive into the laptop and power it on. Now after the laptop boot up, it immediately recognizes the flash drive, and it recognizes the Ubuntu installation, and it wants me to choose which installation preferences that I want, and I will go to try or install Ubuntu. Yes, just started the installation. I'm gonna speed this up, guys, and see you in a bit. Just finished preparing the needed files to complete the installation of Ubuntu. So now I need to enter the language and hit next, next, next. In this network section, I prefer don't connect to the internet, because it sometimes become laggy or maybe fail the installation because it will apply the updates from the internet. Interactive installation. I also prefer the default selection, and you can add whatever you want of the apps later. Definitely yes, install recommended proprietary software, install third-party software for graphics and Wi-Fi hardware. This is an important part of the installation, and it's always preferred to erase disk and install Ubuntu or install Mac or install Windows. Whatever you want to install, just clean up the hard drive or the SSD or the flash drive, whatever the place you want to install the Windows or the operating system. It's preferred to be clean. Creating username and password, time zone. After hitting that install button, it will take around like 10-15 minutes. Just complete the installation, and now you will have to press restart now. Nice. Now welcome to Ubuntu. Okay, next. So now we have a clean installation of the Linux Ubuntu version, but we are not done yet. We will have to use a terminal command just to make sure everything is updated, and the drivers, everything is updated to the latest version and works fine. But at this part we need to enter the Wi-Fi or any internet connection first before we can proceed with this. After the internet connected, we need to enter this command sudo apt update and hit enter. It will require you to enter your password for the user and enter the password. At this moment, after entering this command, it will check for any driver update or download any missing drivers from the internet. That's it for the Linux installation for the Ubuntu distribution, and always you can create accounts just like a Windows. You can create local accounts or root accounts. There's too many things you need to learn here in Linux. servers and operating systems if you want, and I will go further with this explanation. And for my case, I will use this machine to monitor some servers in my company. Thanks for watching, and if this video was helpful and simple for you, please hit the like button and subscribe for more content like this. See you in the next one.